So many watermelons. Very nice. Big one. Be careful. Let's pump it. Okay. Full again. Good. Smoke. Stop. We can't go. Not now. To the garage. Slow. Welcome. Let's fix it. Here. Here. I see. I see. Cleaning. Cleaning. Good. So clean. Nice. Vroom. Perfect. Load up. Careful. Oh no! The truck is broken! Let's fix it! Let's fix it! It looks very dirty. The front is damaged. Yes, it needs repair. The tire is flat. We must change it. We must change it. Tools are ready. Good job. Slow and safe. Up it goes. I see oil. There is a leak. There is a leak. Messy oil. We clean it. Hold it tight. Almost done. Old tire off. New one on. It looks strong. Very good. Broken part removed. Replace it. Nice and shiny. Perfect fit. Front looks great. Yes. Is it smooth? It works well. It's moving. Good sign. Good sign. Look at the concrete. So smooth. Wow, it's working. Very strong. So busy. Good work. Oh no, it's broken. We must help. Yes. To the garage. Slow. Welcome. Let's start. Smoke came out. Hey, now, see, I see. Oil leak. Fixing. Up. Easy. Right there. Done. So clean. Nice. Vroom. Good sound. Go work. Be safe. Great job.
Excellent. A quiet workday begins in the familiar garage. The space is silent. Everything is ready. The truck appears to be in a state of fatigue. The work awaits.
The mud and scratches tell the story of the truck's long journey. Every detail needs to be considered.
Inspection begins with the lowest parts. Caution is always paramount.
Inside the engine is the heart of the car. Every problem leaves a trace.
The car is raised. The repair work officially begins.
Each part is removed in order. No need to rush. Cleaning helps to see the problem clearly. Each detail gradually comes to light.
The new parts have been carefully selected. Everything is ready. Power is restored step by step. Precision is essential.
Every connection must be secure. No mistakes allowed.
The car is gradually regaining its original shape. Everything is going according to plan.
The car is back on the floor. An important step is complete.
Checking is essential. Peace of mind comes from carefulness.
The job is almost complete. Everything is ready for testing.
The car begins to move. The changes are clearly felt.
All movements become stable. Balance has returned.
The test is over. The results are as expected. Another job done. Hard work pays off.
The car is ready for a new journey. Everything begins with dedication.
A new day at the garage. This truck looks tired. You need help. Worn tire. Many small problems. This part is loose. Up we go. Tighten slowly. New part fits. Clean is good. Down slowly. Old tire off. one by one.
Time to put on the new tire. New tire on.
Every detail has been perfected, and the car looks like a mighty warrior.
A very relaxing workday, and we have a perfect monster truck. Goodbye, and see you again with another super monster truck.
Wow, big damage. The bucket is broken.
It can't dig.
Yes, we fix it. Step by step.
Tools runs ready.
Good. Hold tight.
Safe, safe. It's heavy. Careful, careful.
Bucket off. Good.
So shiny. So shiny.
Perfect fit. Slow. Slow. Okay.
Strong. Secure. Clean. Clean. Straight.
It moves.
Good. Good.
Perfect. Yes. Yes. All fixed. Perfect. Nice work.